Hi, howdy, and hello. Today's yummy. Thought I'd bring you along. Baked Brie. Let's go. Oh yeah, that smells amazing. Alright, back to the Brie. Handing that off to my beautiful camera girl. I got my puff pastry unrolled. Sorry, people outside are a little loud. And we're going to wrap this over. We're going to throw a little big preserves on the top before we do. Ready, set, go. I put about 3 tablespoons of the big on the top. Now we'll wrap over. There is way too much on the side, so I just ended up cutting this off. And when I fry the other pita chips later, we'll throw that in.
Like a churro.
Yeah, get some cinnamon sugar in it. Ooh. Making my camera girl happy, aren't I?
Yes.
Alright, neat and tidy. Now I will mix up 1 egg white and a little bit of water. Brush that on. Throw this in a 400-degree oven for about 25 minutes. And we'll fry up those pita chips as we do. Just a little bit. Gives it a really great look when it comes out. This is a step that you go, oh, I really have to do that? Yeah. You want it to be looking professional like you know you do. You really gotta do this part. And this is what it looks like when it comes out with our homemade pita chips. And we took a little bit of the leftover dough, rolled it up, rolled it in some cinnamon and sugar. After we fried those puppies up. They look delightful. So does this. Can't wait to dig in. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you come back and see what I make next. It might include that thing.